I'm Mark Schumann from Schumann Legal, and we are at West Town Bikes in Chicago, speaking with Eli Faber, head technician. Welcome back, Eli.
Thanks, Mark.
So today we're talking about bicycle fittings. Where can I find a comfortable bike seat?
Well, you should be able to find a bike seat at your local bike shop. A comfortable seat may take a little while to find. There's no universal seat that works for everyone, since everyone has a different body. But one good measurement to get is the width between your sit bones. Seats vary a lot on this measurement right here, from here to here on a hybrid saddle, and that same measurement from here to here on a road saddle is very different.
So what is the difference between these two bike seats?
Well, this is a seat designed for performance, and this is a seat designed for comfort.
And what is the difference between a bike fitting and a seat fitting?
So a seat fitting is where you go to a place that will do a pressure mapping of you riding your saddle. They'll tell you where your sit bones are, where the pressure is being applied, and they'll be able to recommend or custom build a seat for you. Bike fitting is where you go to a place and they will take some measurements like your inseam, your height, your wingspan, and they'll use that to adjust your stem, find the right frame size for you, certain things like that to adjust the bike.
So I see we've got a bike here. How do you adjust a bike seat?
Well, most bike saddles can be adjusted with a 5 or 6 millimeter Allen key on a bolt on the bottom. So you can loosen this bolt down here and you'll be able to tilt the seat backwards or forwards, slide it backwards or forwards, or rotate it too if you loosen this bolt here.
And in terms of the height of the seat in relation to the pedal, should your leg be fully straight or a little bit bent?
So a rule of thumb is that when your leg is at the bottom of the pedal rotation, that knee should be 90% extended.
What about the handlebars? How do you adjust the handlebars?
So most handlebars can be easily adjusted with a 5 or 6 millimeter wrench also. You can loosen these bolts right here, and that will allow you to turn the handlebars.
Is there a recommended height on the handlebars in terms of your shoulders or your arm length?
It's really a personal preference and personal comfort thing. It varies a lot depending on what you're trying to do on your bicycle also. If you're trying to go faster, if you're looking for performance, putting your stem lower so that you have a more aerodynamic position makes more sense. If you're looking for comfort, you can put it up higher. More of your chest will be against the wind, so it'll slow you down a little bit more, but it's more comfortable.
And what about the brakes? How would I adjust the brakes, or do you recommend that?
Well, I personally don't really recommend people adjust brakes by themselves unless they have some mechanical experience. If you do adjust the brakes improperly, it can compromise safety.
So you'd recommend doing it at somewhere like a bike shop?
Yeah, it's a quick fix if you want to come in. It usually takes about 15 minutes.
Great. Well, thank you as always.